Hey, this is Jamey Schrier, and I want to talk to you about financial dashboards. You're never going to find a business owner, a successful business owner in any field that doesn't run their successful business using data, using metrics. And yet, so many small private practice owners are not using the data, many times that is sitting right in their EMR systems. Now, why is this? Well, because most likely we're overwhelmed. We're busy with so many things. We're putting out so many fires. We're wearing so many hats. We have so many roles that it's tough to A, know what metrics are most important, B, make sure the data that we're collecting is accurate, and C, actually monitor the data and know what it actually means. So I just want to talk to you for a minute or two about what you can do to better get a hold of your data. First of all, understand what your EMR can produce. I know it can produce reports. And some of the reports that you want to look at on a regular basis are things like the number of new patients, the number of visits, the utilization in your business, meaning the productivity, how many visits you are seeing compared to how many visits you could see, that percentage. We like to see that percentage at 85%. Just by looking at just those few pieces of data can tell you a lot. So if you have a dashboard, and that's something that we absolutely recommend, not only can you see the data, which can be helpful, but seeing trends can be even more helpful. Because if you miss something in a month, so be it. Might be just a fluke. But if you're seeing over time, let's say 2, 3, 4, 6 months, that becomes a trend. And if we're not monitoring that, and a graph is the easiest way to see that, then we're not going to make the appropriate adjustments to change it. And then all of a sudden we're going to be like, where'd our cash flow go? Where'd our patients go? Why is our numbers down? Data and trends can show you everything. So understanding your EMR reports, looking at some key areas like new patients, visits, utilization. Visits per new patient is an important metric as well. Obviously, the financials, what are your expenses? What is your revenue? And being really on top of that profit margin. From what I know, the average clinic is about 11-12% profit margin, which is nice. If you have $1 million practice, you're making a little over $100,000. But what I've seen, our clients are in the mid-20s. Because for most businesses, you're not running efficiently enough. You're not running optimally enough, and it's costing you tons and tons of money. Really honing in and monitoring these metrics will keep them front of mind and allow you to make better decisions that not only helps you in the short term, but more importantly in the long term, and take away some of these up and down type of roller coaster things that we see in our business. So there's many more metrics that you can use. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out. Happy to help you with this, because there's one thing I know: your business can run better and your business can give you everything you want in your life. We just got to take it seriously enough to run it like a business. So good luck to you. I hope this was helpful.